Looking for a powerful way to keep your workspace cool? In today's video, I'll show you the 5 best garage fans on Amazon that deliver top performance, durability, and value. Whether you're working, fixing, or just cooling down your space, I'll cover what makes each fan worth it, plus a few quick pros and cons to help you decide. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, Lasco High Velocity Fan. The Lasco High Velocity Utility Fan U15617 is a solid choice if you need serious airflow in a garage or workshop. With its pivoting blower and strong 3-speed motor, it easily directs air where you need it. The built-in dual 120V accessory outlets are a smart touch for powering other tools or lights alongside the fan. It's fully assembled out of the box and has a sturdy build, making it dependable for heavy-duty settings. On the flip side, it can be noticeably loud at high speed, so if quiet operation matters, e.g., overnight use or close quarters, you might find it less ideal. Overall, a practical, high-performance fan for workspaces, but not the best fit when silence is a priority. Number 2. My second best pick, DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Job Site Fan. The DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Job Site Fan, DCE 512B, is a strong choice if you already own DeWalt batteries. It delivers up to 650 CFM of airflow and offers versatile mounting or hanging options, great for garages, job sites, or camping. One standout is its cordless freedom combined with solid performance, especially when paired with a 5Ah or larger battery. On the downside, it's tool-only, so you'll need to supply your own battery and charger, which adds to the cost. If you're equipped with the battery ecosystem already, this fan proves to be a smart, portable, high airflow option. Number 3. My third best pick, Geek Air 12-inch Portable Battery-Operated Fan. The Geek Air 12 Portable Battery-Operated Fan delivers impressive flexibility for camping, travel, or backup home use. With a metal blade and 360 degrees vertical tilt, it's built to push a solid breeze and reach all corners of a tent or room. The cordless design makes it incredibly convenient during power outages or off-grid trips. On the downside, the charge time can be a bit long if you're using the top speed, and the fan's weight is slightly heavier than smaller models, which might affect portability for backpack trips. Overall, if you're looking for a durable and versatile fan to keep you cool on the go, this is a smart pick. Number 4. My fourth best pick, EameTools 24-inch Wall Mount Fan. The EameTools 24-inch wall mount fan is a powerhouse built for big spaces like garages or workshops. With a 3-speed motor and up to 6,500 to 6,800 CFM of airflow, it really moves air efficiently. The 90 degrees oscillation helps distribute breeze across a room, and the IP44 rated water-resistant motor housing makes it tough enough for damp spots. The aluminum blades feel rugged and durable. On the downside, it's fairly heavy to mount, over 30 pounds, so installation takes some effort. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, high-volume wall fan with serious airflow, this is a solid pick. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Vornado 293 Large Heavy-Duty Shop Fan. I found the Vornado 293 Large Heavy-Duty Shop Fan to be a standout for serious airflow needs. With a rugged high-impact casing, IP54 rated motor, and a pivoting head with carry handle, it's built to handle garage or workshop conditions with ease. Its 3-speed motor gives strong airflow, and the durable steel base keeps it stable even at high output. On the downside, it's built for power, not silence. The high setting is quite loud, which may make it less ideal for quieter indoor spaces like a bedroom. If you're after a tough, high-performance fan for heavy-duty use, this one delivers. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite garage fans? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.